How to disable image lightbox on Blogger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable the image lightbox feature on Blogger website. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your browser and head over to the official website of Blogger. And here, make sure that you are logged in with your account. And once you see the interface like this on the Blogger website, simply click on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And here from the pop-up menu, simply click on settings. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as image lightbox. So simply toggle off that option. And that's it. That's how you can disable image lightbox on Blogger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.